So in this video, I will show you how you can start your own Etsy print on demand business from scratch. हम last 10 years से ये business कर रहे हैं, तो इस वीडियो में आपको step by step गाइड करूंगा how you can start your own print on demand business from scratch. You don't need any LLC, you don't need any investment. As you know, Pakistan have been approved in Etsy selling list, and you can also start selling from India as well. So only you need a Pioneer account, and then you can connect your Pioneer account with Etsy. And after that, all the payments Etsy will send directly to your Payoneer account, from where you can withdraw into your own bank account. So basically, first of all, let me tell you how this business model actually works. तो इसके लिए हम क्या करते हैं, हम प्रिंटिंग कंपनी को यूज़ करते हैं, जैसे कि प्रिंटिफाई एंड देन प्रिंटफुल. सो दीज आर ऑल द कंपनीज वी टेक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ शिपिंग आवर ऑर्डर डायरेक्टली टू आवर कस्टमर्स. So any customer who is coming to Etsy and then he is placing the order, we can simply place the order on Printify, and then Printify take the responsibility to ship the orders directly to the Etsy customers. Now the main question is how we can create these designs, okay, and how we can use these mockups. So what we will do, we will use Canva to create all of these designs. There are plenty of other websites, for example, Creative Fabrica. You can also use Creative Fabrica to create designs, and even you can also use Kittle as well. So in this specific video, I will show you how you can use Canva to create your own designs. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं ये सारे के सारे डिज़ाइन अवेलेबल हैं. नाउ दिस इज़ द कैनवा. प्लीज यू हैव टू मेक माइनर चेंजेस. फॉर एग्जांपल, यू कैन मे बी यूज text, maybe use an element, maybe change the background. So you have to make the minor changes, because all of these design you can see here, these are all uploaded by Canva creators. तो मैं आपको ये कहूँगा आपने Canva का pro अकाउंट लेना है, because you can see these are all the designs which are pro, and if you get pro you will get plenty of options. For example, you can customize text, element, background, and there are plenty of other things, because you are going to start your own business. So getting Canva Pro is recommended, and I am using Canva Pro at this time as well. So आपको क्या करना है, let's say if you want to use this design, you have to simply click here, and then you will have to customize this template. Okay, after customizing this template, what you will do, you will make minor changes into this design. That can be a color change, that can be a text change, even that can be a font change, because this is the Canva Pro, as I told you earlier. So आपने minor सी changes करनी है यहाँ पे. Maybe you can change the background, maybe you can change the text color, or maybe you can even add an extra element from here. Let's say if I want to add this element, so I will simply click here, and then I will drag it where I want to add. तो आपने क्या करना है, आपने minor सी इसमें change करनी है, and that is recommended by Canva if you want to sell this as a commercial use. If you are going to sell on Etsy, of course you are using it as a commercial. उसके बाद आपने क्या करना है, then you will have to go into share section, and then you will have to go in download. So make sure to stretch this scale to maximum so that your image quality would not be compromised. उसके बाद आप इसको क्या करें, उसके बाद इसको डाउनलोड कर लें, and then after that this design is available to use. So आपने क्या करना है, आपने माइनर सी चेंजेस करनी है इन डिज़ाइंस में. यू कैन यूज़ ऑल ऑफ दिस डिज़ाइंस, इवन यू कैन क्रिएट फ्रॉम स्क्रैच एज वेल. सो इट्स वेरी सिंपल, इट्स वेरी इजी प्रोसेस. कोई इसमें कम्प्लेक्स प्रोसेस नहीं है. इवन यू कैन क्रिएट ऑल ऑफ दिस डिज़ाइंस फ्रॉम स्क्रैच एज वेल. सो इफ़ यू आर क्रिएटिंग डिज़ाइन फ्रॉम स्क्रैच, you will go here, and then you will choose the size. You will click here on customize size, and then you will here enter the size of the design which you want to create. So basically what we can do is simply go to Printify, और Printify के बाद यहाँ पे आपने My Store पे क्लिक करना है. You can even sign up using your email address as well. So it's very simple process, right? यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं, here is the option to connect your store. I will click here, and then you can connect your Etsy store, you can connect your Shopify, TikTok US, even you can connect your Amazon store, and then you can connect your eBay store as well. So if you have store already, simply click here and then log into your store, and it will be connected automatically with the Etsy. If you have Shopify store, simply click here and then log in, and it will be connected automatically to the Etsy. So all the orders which are coming on Shopify or Etsy, they will be fulfilled from the Printify. Okay, so there is a company which is Printify. So if you are using Shopify, you will have to install the Printify app, and if you are using Etsy, you don't need to install any app. You can simply click here, and then you can connect your store. So after connecting your store, you have the wallet option. Now in wallet option, you will go to payments, and on payments you will add the payment. Okay, आपने क्या करना है, यहाँ पे payment add करनी है, so that once order comes in to your Etsy or Printify store, you can simply pay from here using your wallet balance. Okay, you can use Google Pay, you can use PayPal, or even you can use Payoneer. Now below that, you can also use your credit card or debit card to add the balance as well. So simply you will add the balance, and then maybe you can add $100, $200, or $300 here as well. So after that, once order comes in, you can go into the order section, and then you can check all of your orders. As you can see, this is just new account, we don't have any orders. Okay, so these are all the t-shirts, hoodies, sweatshirts, and even you can create tops. So you can create mugs, candles, canvas. So these are all the products which you can use and then you can sell them on Etsy or Shopify, wherever you want to sell. Now यहाँ पे अगर मैं T-shirt पे क्लिक करता हूँ तो you will get plenty of options. As you can see, these are all the best sellers. So this is the best seller. This has express delivery. This also has express delivery. So Printify have their own warehouses in USA, Canada and Australia. So what exactly Printify will do? जब आपको ऑर्डर आएगा तो Printify क्या करेगा, आपका चेक करेगा कस्टमर का एड्रेस कहाँ का है. Let's say if your customer address belongs to US, so Printify will take the responsibility to ship the order from US warehouse, and maybe they place the order on Etsy and it's from UK, then Printify will use the UK warehouse to ship the order to the customer so that it can arrive quickly, right? So here are all the designs which you can use. Now simply, let's say if I want to use this design, I will click here, and then after that I will upload my own design here which I have created using Canva. Now here I will simply click on start designing, and you can also check product quality कि उसकी rating क्या है, उसके बाद उसकी price क्या है, उसके बाद उसकी shipping क्या है, and then what is the shipping option, right? So right here I will click on start designing. So you can see we have the price of 11.30 USD. Now here you can see we have the print area size. अब आपने क्या करना है, आपने इस size को आपने Canva में enter करना है. So we have the size of 4494 and 509 Simon. So you will go here and then you can enter this size, and this is simple pixels. So you can see we have the pixels, right? So after that you will click on create new design, and it will give you a simple canvas where you can create your own design. So it's very easy, it's not complex, right? So after creating your design, what you will do, you will go into upload section, and then here you can upload a design from your device. So it will be uploaded here. Now after that you can preview it, and even you can use different mockups as I told you earlier. So what you will be doing, you will be using Creative Fabrica to create all of these mockups. You can simply click here, and then maybe you can choose the t-shirt mockups, and it will show you all the mockups. You can see these are all the mockups which you can use. The girl is wearing a t-shirt, and you can see the price, it's 0.30 USD. So you can also change the color of this mockup as well. So maybe if you want to sell the white color, maybe if you want to sell the black color, so you can change the color from here as well. After you purchase, you will be able to change the color, and even you can put your design here. And this mockup you can use into your own Etsy shop like this. Okay, so these are all the mockups which many people are using. You will not be able to find these mockups maybe in Printful or maybe in Printify. So you can see here, you can also get these mockups from Etsy as well. So many people are selling the mockups, and even you can create these mockups to sell detailed products. I will show you in my other video how you can sell these mockups as a detailed products. Okay, उसके बाद आपको क्या करना है, then you will go back to Printify and then you will upload here. So after putting the design here, you can simply save it, and then you can upload a description, you can upload a title, and then it will be listed to your Etsy account. So make sure you have the approved Etsy account, and in my next video I will show you how you can create your own Etsy account and how you can connect the payment gateway, which is Pioneer, and how you can do that from scratch. So these are all the designs. You can see these are selling well on Etsy, and even you can use different software. For example, you can see I have been using Alora, and even you can use Everbee as well. This is the best software you can use to find best selling products. So make sure once you are going to list your products on Etsy, आपको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा listing करनी है. As much as listing you will do, your products will appear in top of the search results, and you will be able to bring more sales. As you can see, this is my Etsy account I have just created. I can show you. This is my Etsy account, and you can see we have got 24 visitors and we haven't got any orders. So we have been doing this business for past couple of years, and I can show you in my Shopify dashboard how many orders we are bringing in basically on daily basis or monthly basis. Okay, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं ये हमारा एक स्टोर है जिसको हमने Etsy के साथ कनेक्ट किया हुआ है. Basically this is the Shopify store which we have connected to the Etsy. Okay, so I will go into analytics and I will show you how much sales we are bringing from Etsy in last 30 days. So what you can do if you are selling on maybe Amazon, maybe Shopify, you can connect basically all of your store with the Etsy. Okay, you can see we have bring almost $11,000 in sales, and then I will show you how much orders we are getting from Etsy. Right here you can see we have almost $7,000 sales from Etsy integration. So this is store we have just created. We are experimenting different things on this. Okay, one thing is just like Amazon PPC campaigns, once you are going to list your products on Etsy, you can also market your products. Okay, so simply click here and then go into Etsy ad, and you can see we have 3 days left until we can advertise our products. Okay, so all the products you are listing on your Etsy account, you will be able to advertise those products to all the customers who are coming on Etsy marketplace, right? So Etsy is a marketplace just like eBay and Amazon. So all the customers who are coming on Etsy, they will be able to see your products on the top just like that. So you can see here maybe there should be ads. See, ads by Etsy seller, ads by Etsy seller, ads by Etsy seller, ads by Etsy seller, right? And then after that, if you do the SEO of your products very well, your products will appear below these products which are appearing on top of that, right? So what you will have to do, you will have to do better SEO of your products so that once you are going to sell your products on Etsy, they should be appear on top of that. Make sure to add keywords in title, make sure to add keywords in description, and also make sure to add tags in your listing. Once you are going to list your products on Etsy, I will show you in another video how to do that. And beside that, you can also sell many other products. For example, you can sell handmade products. For example, if you are living in Pakistan, maybe you can sell Kashmiri shawls. जैसे कि आपको पता है Kashmiri shawls बहुत ज़्यादा famous हैं. So you can sell all of these Kashmiri shawls basically on Etsy as well. Let me show you how much they are selling. So you can see it's selling for $149 and then it's selling for $214. So you can see here ads by Etsy seller. और ये सारे Etsy seller ऐसे हैं जो कि पाकिस्तान से इनको सेल कर रहे हैं using FedEx and DHL. So you can see it's selling for $1,400, which is almost 5 to 6 lakhs. Okay, and see this Kashmiri shawl. You can see ships from Pak. Okay, so these are all the Kashmiri shawls which are shipping from Pakistan. All the sellers are using companies, for example, FedEx and DHL to ship the order directly to their customers. You can see ship from Pak, ship from Pak, ship from Pak, right? So these are all handmade products basically which you can sell on Etsy as well. So in my other video, I will show you which are the shipping company you can use from Pakistan, and also I will show you which are the top detailed products you can sell using Etsy. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel.